Alright, I went and had a pane block done today. Had them sanded and ready to go. Those are going to be my 2 doors for my generator. And then there are the 3 that go down the passenger side, which are the ones that are missing out there. There's my bumper on 80 grit. We're going to go ahead and high build this. And then I don't know what I'm going to paint it yet, but I at least want to get it in some high build. I went ahead and welded this in and then put a welded a brace in the back, so if we do pull anything, this isn't going to teeter or wobble back and forth and snap the bumper off, even though that's probably 3/16 inch at least metal. So let me get some high build and we'll come back. Alright, I got this all in high build. I put a whole quart on it because I got some sanding where I had to fill in some welds. We'll let that sit a few days. I got to turn in my tanks tomorrow, get them filled. Can anybody guess what that is? That's another video.